Alright, Kish Bilgan is Jackravis or Juna Chin le Sraitheanna le sraitheanna to Tuktor Hoon and Shekib, so Marek much was a cho a Shekib na Coog, Moja Shaft, Moja Nui, as Leonor Shishner then Joe, as Tuktor Hoon then go SN Corna Kid na Hado, so Camoja Relagus Enna Island Chin. So basically the answer is na ma himmi muja Coog agus Shaft agus Nui agus Hine agus CJ agus ma chunim jar mar sin ken woord of is session fad simile hele corna Kid na Hado. So here do the unus much na Corma de Stach ar skrif mu cheese ar formula tal a fast na lauragi. Agus denjal much only do at agus D because toss and kid shin now fano an en hard do mar helix names and tada ruchin. Agus then we have do for a sachosh as a chain was cook. Moja en lujahin for D is dolsh na jifricht. Agus then made ons maak shin. So en haar do made ons maak shin je moja do en luj do. So en haar do would be kormle do en moja hocht. Alright. Now jertelingo cha shin ar fad kormle kid nach do. So basically it's just come with the arrow heart as for mach keda hen. So here the answer is that made mujan root tischtig brackets for n as tamela gala sa sha arrow g on kid tiv ele pronoun so commission add so vi n har do for do en moja hocht is korma kid nach do. So made much color for n or do so shin do en carnahe moja ocht en is korma kid nach do. Now Nigel Jarmut got a shinner fad har do and fresh in a tiv show. So a shinner ar fad har do. So it's a chosha bay en carnahe moja cad en cormla kid nach a doan. Now Neil en lesh hain agus that C variable jifrichten so ni mujana just fall mach kid en. So shed the has mujana na come with factor yuna. So tur mujana all the kid nach a do cho. Gujin tiv wele tiv clay. As the notes more to all obviously are in the sign, so she kid na chado would be cormla nodge. Agus now Thomas nan factor yuna. Alright? So usa the dov racket cormla nodge. So en can he kashin ve n for n. Factor do go kid na chado now august la moja kid en much. So them should kind of shejig agus doyig. Agus kasha van a plus so then can smooth level moja. So moja shejig n is cormla luja doyig. So n cormla doyig no n cormla luja shejig would be in the road you has to gestegen. Ach ka n only vet jerfach. We can't have a negative number, so can't say ka n vet cormla doyig. Alright. Now, so Belgan is jack, Belgan is confusing. The sample is just lower, just land you look on the sample.